Hello and welcome to Adrian's Kitchen, and this is my favorite chicken soup. It's a Polish chicken soup called Rosół, and today I'm going to show you a recipe as well as some tricks and tips to create this aromatic, clear, and healthy broth. You will need 6 bone-in chicken thighs, leek, 2 carrots, celery root, an onion, a parsley bunch, allspice, about 7 coarsely cracked, whole peppercorns, about 12 plus 3 bay leaves, salt and pepper, and thin noodles. I only had spaghetti today, but you use thinner ones when you make your soup. All right, let's cook. First, prep your veggies. Wash, peel, chop. You know what to do. And wash all that sand out of that leek. Next, you're gonna chop your onion right in half and put it right on the burner. Turn the gas on. We're gonna build up some char and caramelization to give our soup that little bit extra. And as tradition dictates, you're gonna leave the inner peel of the onion on. And this is what you're looking for. Next, the chicken goes in the pot. You fill it with cold water. And remember, don't fill it all the way because we're putting in those veggies later. Turn on that gas to high and leave the lid off. Once you see gentle bubbles, turn the gas to low. This should never boil, but gently simmer for 1 hour with the lid off. Over the next hour, you will watch your soup and remove any fat and impurities floating to the top. This is meticulous, but it makes all the difference. After 1 hour, add in all your veggies. Add bay leaf, peppercorn, and allspice. And you're gonna put that whole bunch of parsley right on top. Keeping that gentle simmer, you'll still be removing any fat or impurities gathering at the top. And remember to keep that lid off the entire time. After 1 hour, turn the gas off. Carefully remove all veggies and meat. You don't want any of this stuff breaking up into your broth. Oops, missed a bay leaf. Salt to taste and let the broth settle. All right, and serve. Traditionally, Rosół is served over pre-prepared noodles with thinly sliced carrots that you used in your broth. And I like to add fresh cracked pepper and freshly chopped parsley. This broth is very clean, aromatic, and virtually fat-free. I really hope you have fun making this, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and give me a thumbs up.